Hi, this video tutorial I will cover how to read HTML form data using the methods provided by Servlet API. Before you watch this video tutorial, please log into my channel and watch Servlet form data introduction video tutorial. Then come and watch this tutorial so that you'll understand this tutorial very clearly. Okay. Now we will see the example of how to read the form data using Servlet API provided methods. For that I have created one web project called Servlet form data get. What I will do is I will first deploy this application. Clicking file, export, then select war file, next, and I am going to place it inside the web apps folder of Tomcat. So the var will be placed inside the web apps folder of Tomcat. Then I am going to start the server. Server has been started. Now I am going to access the application using this URL till the context path servlet form data get. I am entering that URL and pressing enter here, and what it will do is it will display the index.html content. I will see what is index.html. So the index.html has only one link, so the link is customer form. When you click that one, it will open the customer form HTML content. Okay, so I'm clicking customer form link, so it is displaying customer form HTML content. So it has first name, last name, and it has submit button. So I'm opening customer form HTML page. Okay, so once you click on submit after you enter the first name and last name, what it will do is it will send get request to the server, and the action is customer info form. Okay, so before I enter something and click on submit, I'm going to enable the web developer toolbar. Okay, I enable that one. Right side you can see here. Okay, the developer toolbar. Then I am entering first name as Ram and last name as Charan. Then I am clicking submit button. So once I click on submit button, you can see the a request here in the top, and the request sends to the web server. Here the URL pattern is customer info form. Okay, so once request goes to the server will forward the request to the web container. The web container will check the URL pattern customer info form is there in web.xml. Okay, so I'm opening web.xml. So you can see the URL pattern customer info form. So based on that, it will identify the corresponding servlet class which can handle the request. So in this case, corresponding servlet class is customer info servlet. Okay, so what servlet container will do is it will load the customer info servlet class, and it will call the init method first to initialize the servlet. Okay, so you can see here init method has been called. Okay, then the method type is get, right? That is what we mentioned in the form, customer form, right? So the doGet method will handle the request. Okay, so once servlet is initialized, then it will call the doGet method. Okay, so doGet method, what we are doing is we are getting all the information which is passed from client to server. We are trying to get that one. Okay, so you can see here. So you can see first name equal to Ram, last name equal to Charan. Same thing you can see here. Click on get, and params is there, right? So click on params. You can see. So these are the information which is sent from client to server. Okay. So in this case, the first name is the parameter name, and value is Ram. Like that, last name is parameter name, and value is Charan. So this is one parameter value pair, and this is another parameter value pair that is separated by ampersand symbol. Okay, so first we will see how to uh, get the value using the get parameter method. Okay, so this is the method get parameter. So if you pass parameter name, then it will return the value. So I will open here. So here you can see request dot get parameter, then this is the parameter name, that is the first name. So once you give that one, you will get the corresponding value. So you can see here corresponding value is rom, right? So that is displayed here. So another way of getting all the parameter names and value is using the get parameter names method. Request dot get parameter names method will return the parameter names as the enumeration, and you have to just iterate the enumeration parameter names and get each parameter name and pass the parameter name to the request dot get parameter method. It will return the corresponding parameter value. So that is displayed here. Okay, this part. And another way of getting all the parameter names and values is using the get parameter map method. So it will return parameter map, then from the parameter map get all the keys using the key set method, and iterate the key set of parameter names and get the parameter name and pass the parameter name to the map. It will return the corresponding parameter value as a string array, and iterate the string array and get the values. Okay, so that is what you are seeing here, output. Okay, one more important point is we are using a get method so that we are seeing the information passed from client to server in the address bar itself. Okay, and this customer info servlet has three methods. The first method is init. When servlet initialized, this method will be called, and do get method will be called by the servlet container, because we are using get method, and it has another method which is destroy. This method will be called when server is shut down or servlet is taken out of service. Okay, I will shut down the server and I will show you the destroy method is called. You can see here destroy method is called after I shut down the server. Okay, and this is about how to read HTML form data using methods provided by Servlet API. And thanks for watching. Bye.